I'm gonna make a quick Aspire video, and it could be used for VCarve or whatever. We have a member in one of the Facebook groups that I'm a part of asking a question, so I'm going to try and help him out. What he's having issues with is he's got this design here and he's having trouble closing vectors. Now we could go in simply and just draw a line from here to here and join it with this and this and just go all the way around the model, but I'm going to show a quick different way of using layers. So I'm going to draw this up really quickly, and it's going to be ugly. It's going to be rudimentary. It's for educational purposes only. And I have to remember, don't press my F9 key because it pauses my software, my recording software. So let's go N for node, grab these two, make something that might possibly look like a heart. T for transform. Let's bring it back up in the center. Don't press F9. Let's offset that. Let's go inwards. Good enough. Now for the triangle. We got to come way out here. Up here. And down here. Like I said, real quick and ugly. Offset that. Inward. That will work. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to layers. Right click. I've already renamed it to base. We're going to insert a new layer, and we're going to call that heart. And let's just change the color. And let's go lime green because it's easy to see. What I like to do is I like to take the original vectors and leave them on their own layer. I'm going to copy those. Let's turn this layer off. Right click, activate that layer, and paste. And no, I want to rename this one triangle, just because. And all I'm going to use, since we have our artwork here, all I'm going to use is a scissor tool. So on his, it goes over, under, but I'm just going to do it really quick. So I want this bar to go over this, so I trim out the heart. I want this to go under the heart, so I trim out the bar. Go over, since that's under, this one over, trim out the heart. Under, trim out the bar. Over, trim out the heart. I think you're getting this. So now we have this design. So we're going to come over here to layers. I am going to right click, insert a new layer, and I'm going to call this one heart. And let's change that to orange. Highlight all of this because we already made our, as you can see, we have open vectors here. So we already made our adjustments. So I'm going to copy, turn this off, right click, activate, and paste. We are on the heart layer. So all we have to do is trim out the triangle. Boom, 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 boom. Everything that's the triangle. Now we have all closed vectors for the heart. So now let's go to our layer, turn heart off, turn this on, right click, activate. We're on the triangle. Let's go get our trim tool. Everything that is not a triangle goes away. And we now have all closed vectors. Go back to our layers, turn them both on. There's our design, bust out toolpath. As you see, we have overlapping vectors, which is totally fine, but everything is closed. And Travis, I hope this helps, but I hope it clears a lot of stuff up. Now we can do any type of toolpathing that we want with this. I hope this helps not only Travis, but other people as well.